So you just went back to your home country and got married. You're a U.S. citizen, and now you want to bring your spouse to the United States. Let's talk about how that whole process works. You will file an I-130 petition. That's a petition for an alien relative saying, I'm a U.S. citizen. I want to bring my new spouse to the United States. You need to demonstrate that the marriage is real, that the relationship is legit. You need to submit evidence of how you know each other, the time you spent together, and the life that you're starting to build with each other. Now, they understand you don't live together, so you're not going to have a lease, but you are going to demonstrate how the relationship started and how it's going, why you fell in love, all that stuff. That case will be processed at USCIS, and it will take about 12 to 14 months. After that, your case will go from USCIS to the State Department, and they send it to a place called the National Visa Center, which is in New Hampshire. You will have to file a whole new set of forms, pay more fees, and now the State Department will begin processing the actual visa. You'll have to pay the affidavit of support fee and the immigrant visa fee so that they can process those applications. You're going to have to demonstrate that you have enough money to support your spouse if they come to the United States, and you're going to have to provide lots of background information about your spouse, because this is when the government determines whether or not they really want to let your spouse come to the United States. After the case has been approved and processed at the National Visa Center, you'll become what's called documentarily qualified, and at that point you're just waiting for a visa embassy interview, and that's going to depend on which embassy it is. Some embassies are very, very slow. You might wait up to a year for an interview on your visa, and then your spouse will get that interview. They will go and show that the relationship is ongoing, that they still want to come to the United States, that they're a good person who should be able to come to the United States, and then they'll hopefully receive their visa, and at that point you'll pay something called the Ellis fee, which allows them to get their green card once they arrive in the United States, and will come just a few weeks later. That's it, start to finish, probably talking 16 to 18 months, depending on the embassy. Could be longer, could be 2 full years. So you want to get started right away. That's the main thing. You want to get that case on file, and you want to file the strongest case possible. If you have any questions about this, feel free to email us info@hackingimmigrationlaw.com. Thanks for watching.